Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas, and today I'm in the kitchen and I'm making popcorn. And on the website, in the Maycraft section in the circus area, you will find 4 recipes for different kinds of popcorn flavors. Today I'm making caramel corn, but there's also a recipe for s'more popcorn, and it has marshmallows and chocolate and graham crackers on it. And there's also one for hot tamale popcorn, which is a little spicy. And we also have one for ranch flavored popcorn. So let's get started making our caramel corn and we'll see how it works. Okay, so the first thing you'll need for this recipe is about 8 cups of popped popcorn. And I'm using one that doesn't have any extra buttery flavor on it or anything. It's just the air pop type of popcorn. And make sure you shake the bowl really good and get all of the, and fish out any of the unpopped kernels, because you don't want those in your coated popcorn, because that would hurt your teeth to chomp on those. So into a saucepan, I have got 1½ sticks of butter, and I'm going to melt that down. You will also need 1½ cups brown sugar, a teaspoon vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. And at the very end, we're going to put on some baking soda for that. So let's get this melted, and then we will add our sugar and our other ingredients. So here we're going to melt that up. Okay, now that our butter is melted, we're going to add our corn syrup. Go ahead and add that. Here. There we go. Just going to get it all in there. And we're going to add the brown sugar too. So Jake, you want to grab that and put that in there?
Oh, I can fix that.
Okay. Make sure we get it all in there. Okay, so we're going to stir that around. And we're going to dissolve that sugar. Want to add the vanilla. Next, you're going to add the vanilla. Good job. And we're just going to stir and cook that. That's not to the end. We're going to stir this up. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring it all the time until it starts to bubble. So, nope, that's for last. So let's stir that for 5 minutes and we'll be right back. So we're just going to continue to stir this until it starts to bubble. You can see that it's already, the brown sugar is starting to melt and it's getting a little bit more cohesive. So we'll just keep stirring. Okay, now it's starting to bubble. So it's only got about 1.5 minutes left. What you want is all the sugar dissolved and it starts to caramelize then. So we're going to keep stirring for just a minute more. Okay, once it's super bubbly and boily, you're going to cut the heat and you're going to add, take it off the heat, and you're going to add your baking powder and your salt. Go ahead and add that, Jake. There we go. Oops. Get off the spoon. We're going to mix that around super fast, get it all mixed around, and then we're going to grab our popcorn. We're going to pour this big bubbly mess all over the top. And it's very hot, so be careful. So while this was cooking, make sure that's mixed together. You're going to want to spray a sheet tray with some non-stick cooking spray. Sorry about that. And then you're going to toss this around real quick. Get it all nice and coated. Do not touch this with your hands because it is like lava. So we're going to just toss this around until we can get as much of it coated as possible. Then we're going to turn it out onto a sprayed cookie sheet, and we're going to bake it in the oven at about 300 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and let it fully cool. Okay, so let's get our sheet tray, and remember, it is super duper hot, so don't touch the caramel on this because you will burn your hand. Yeah, look at all that, Jake. Okay, so it's on our sheet tray, and it's pretty coated. Get all that good stuff in there. All right. So now our caramel corn is going to go into the oven for about 20 minutes at 300, and then we'll check back with it in a little bit. While we're waiting, I made some of the s'more popcorn, and this has got the marshmallows on it. And it's super yummy. It's got graham cracker.
It's yummy.
It is. So this is also on the website as one of the recipes. Okay, so about halfway through the cooking time, you're going to want to take it out and just kind of toss it around. Don't touch it though, because it's hot. Get a couple of spoons and toss it around and smooth it out, and then put it back in there for the remainder of the time. And then once it comes out of the oven and cools fully, then you'll be able to break it up into little pieces. So let's put this back in there for the rest of the time, and then we'll take it out. Okay, so here it is out of the oven. We've got the caramel corn, and it is golden and full of yummy flavors. And over here we've got some more popcorn, which is also on the website, which is really tasty and full of marshmallowy yumminess. So both of those are fun to try. Great for a movie night or other fun occasion. Well, I hope you guys are able to make some popcorn and have some fun with it. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye for now.